My name is Christine and I will be your property tour buddy for today. Come and join me as I show you this brand new two-story house with 4 bedrooms and 3 toilets and bath. So this is the main entrance of the house. And on my left side is where the car park is. But before anything else, guys, please do like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and share to your friends and family who are looking for a property. So the land area of this house is 120 square meters and it has a floor area of about 175 square meters. So as I've said, this car park here can fit at least 2 cars, 2 SUVs actually. And this road or this here brings you to the service area. Now, let's go inside this house using the main door. So if you wish to convert this part here into a front yard, the owner of this house will provide you a little some sort of plants for your beautification. The main entrance of this house has a solid wood. And this one, it has an open concept from the living area, which brings you to the dining and to the kitchen area. So this living area, guys, sorry if you can see that it's not yet all that finished. It's because it's COVID time. So here we have the provision for the television, for the cable, and already the plug. So definitely your sofa will be here. And then we have here the dining area, which can at least fit a six-seater dining table. And here we have the toilet and bathroom for the ground floor. Right now we cannot appreciate it, but I'll just put the pictures later. Okay, so if you have an elderly people living with you in this house, and for those people who don't want to go up and down the stairs, they can actually use this room. So this room here can fit at least single size bed. And this room is where the circuit breaker is located. Here. So we have here the kitchen or the main kitchen where there is already a provision for the gas range, and we have here a built-in range shed. So this is the cabinet that they are making. Actually, this is not yet done, so definitely, as what I've seen in their other houses, they have provided a built-in gas range already. Okay, so for this one, we have a cabinet for the fridge. Actually, this can fit a 2-door fridge, a cabinet type 2-door fridge. So you might be wondering what this door is. This leads to the service area. So because Filipinos want to have a dirty kitchen, even if they have already that main kitchen, this place here is convertible to a dirty kitchen because we already have a sink over here. And then for the washing area, we have this place here. We already have a provision for the outdoor outlet. So guys, if you are planning to have dogs here, you can actually convert this. Oh my God, sorry. You can actually convert the space here for your dog cage. So now let's go to the second floor where the bedroom is. You may notice that here in this ground floor, we have beautifully or neat white tiles, which makes the whole ground floor very neat and spacious. And it's very easy to maintain. Aside from that, we have provided already this playtime air conditioner which I guess has a 2 horse or 2.5 horsepower, which can cover the whole ground floor. Now heading to the second bedroom, to the second floor. So now we are already here in the second floor. We got here 3 more bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. At the moment, we can show you the shared toilet and bath for bedrooms 1 and 2 because it's kind of dark. There's no electricity yet. So this is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is quite spacious that it can fit a double-sized bed. So we already have this window-type air conditioner all together with the sail. And we have this wide windows so that you can conserve energy, especially during the day. And a built-in cabinet for your kids. So this house is really ideal for a family with 2 or 3 kids because magtagsa sila o bedroom. Aside from that, we have here the provision for the cable TV and the plug for the mounted television. So now let's go to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is a little bit smaller than bedroom number 1, but this can also fit a double-sized bed. And the same with bedroom number 1, we already have the air conditioner and also a built-in closet. And now let's go to the master room. As you have noticed, all of the rooms, the door of the whole rooms are already made of solid wood. And here we have the split-type air conditioner, a built-in closet, and another closet on my left, which our photographer will show you in a while. And this is the bedroom area, which can fit a queen-size bed. So we have here the provision for the cable, internet, and this one for the mounted television, because we have here the provision for the cable TV. And what's nice is there's a small balcony. So it's very nice to wake up early in the morning and do your stretching in this area. So the master bedroom has an ensuite toilet and bath. So this is the toilet and bath. Here we have the rain shower and also the bathroom fixture. I'll just go out and then you take a video of it. So guys, you may notice that we are using earth colors for this whole house, which means to say that it's kind of minimalist in design. So should you wish to book a site tour with us, please do call us at 0917-7999-429, or you may email us at cebuelephantproperties@gmail.com. So once again, my name is Christine and I am your licensed real estate broker. Thank you and God bless.